Welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Guides. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to be discussing some of the most lucrative business ideas that you can start today to make money online in 2023. 1. E-commerce. Setting up an online store is one of the most popular ways to make money online. With the rise of e-commerce platforms like Shopify, it's now easier than ever to create your own online store and start selling products. Consider dropshipping, where you don't have to keep any inventory, and instead you can partner with a supplier who will ship the product directly to your customer. This can be a great option for those who are just starting out and don't have a lot of capital to invest in inventory. 2. Online courses. Another great way to make money online is by creating and selling your own online courses. With platforms like Udemy and Coursera, it's easy to create and sell courses on a variety of topics, from coding to cooking. If you have a particular skill or expertise, this can be a great way to monetize it and share your knowledge with others. 3. Affiliate marketing. If you have a blog or website, affiliate marketing can be a great way to make money online. This involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission on any sales that are made through your unique affiliate link. The key to success with affiliate marketing is to find products that are relevant to your audience and promote them in a way that is authentic and valuable to your readers. 4. Social media marketing. With the rise of social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, businesses are always looking for ways to promote their products and services online. If you have a large following on social media, you can start charging businesses for sponsored posts or influencer marketing campaigns. This can be a great way to monetize your social media presence and turn your hobby into a business. 5. Podcasting. Podcasting is becoming increasingly popular, and if you have a unique and engaging topic, you can make money through advertising and sponsorships. Podcasting is a great way to build a community around your topic and connect with your audience in a deeper way. 6. Blogging. Similar to podcasting, blogging is a great way to make money online through advertising and sponsored posts. It's also a great way to establish yourself as an authority in your niche and build a loyal following. 7. Graphic design. With the rise of digital marketing, the demand for graphic designers is on the rise. If you have a talent for design, you can start your own graphic design business and sell your services to businesses and individuals. This can include designing logos, website layouts, social media graphics, and more. 8. Virtual assistants. As more and more businesses move online, the demand for virtual assistants is on the rise. If you have experience with administrative tasks, you can start your own virtual assistants business and help entrepreneurs and small business owners with tasks like scheduling appointments, managing emails, and more. This can be a great option for those who want to work from home and set their own schedule. 9. Website development. With the rise of e-commerce and digital marketing, businesses are always in need of website developers to help them create and maintain their online presence. If you have experience with web development, you can start your own website development business and help businesses build their online presence. This can include designing and building websites, as well as providing ongoing maintenance and updates. 10. SEO. Search engine optimization, SEO, is becoming increasingly important for businesses as they try to improve their online visibility. If you have experience with SEO, you can start your own SEO consulting business and help businesses improve their rankings in search engine results pages. These are just a few of the many business ideas that you can start today to make money online in 2023. Remember, the key to success is to choose a business idea that you're passionate about, and to always be willing to learn and adapt as the online landscape continues to evolve. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And if you have any questions or business ideas of your own, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and remember to subscribe for more amazing content.